Welcome to my channel. Today, let's learn Chinese grammar, morphology. And today we'll learn auxiliary words 2. So the first two auxiliary words, 能 and 会. And number 2, we'll learn differences between 能and 会. So the first one, 能 and 会 both indicate ability, and also are both adding verbs and can have the following forms, like the first one, 能 add verb and 会 add verb. Also we have the other pattern like 能不能 add verb, 会不会 add verb. An example, 能不能去, 能不能去. So can you go or not? Okay, next, let's look at examples. The first one, 我会说3种语言. I can speak 3 languages. 我会说3种语言. And the second one, 他1分钟能跑300米. 他1分钟能跑300米. So he can run 100 meters in 1 minute. And the negative form, so the first one 不会, and next 不能. And what's the differences between these two auxiliary words? The first one, 会 means to have a certain ability through learning. So that means you have learned the ability that you could say 会. And 能 means to achieve a certain degree, level, or efficiency. So this example has another meaning, like 他的腿好了，又能游泳了. So here 能 means that you have the ability that is be recovered. So his leg is good now, or his leg recovered, and he can swim again. 他的腿好了，又能游泳了. Okay, next. So 能 and 会 are both express somebody is good at something. And 能 emphasize ability in quantity, and 会 emphasize stability in technique. For example, the first one, he can sing without feeling tired for 3 hours. And in Chinese, 他真能唱，唱了3个小时，都不知道累. So here the 3 hours means that in quantity. And next, number 2 here, you really can sing as well as a superstar. 你真会唱，唱得和大明星一样好. So that you really can sing as well as a superstar. That you can use 会. Emphasize that ability in technical. So next time we'll learn the other thing about Chinese grammar. I hope that we can meet each other online next time. Bye bye.